using the KZZI K75 Lite at sobrang nakaka-impress ang performance nito. This keyboard offers tri-mode connection, USB Type-C, 2.4G dongle, and Bluetooth 5.0, making it perfect for any setup. The knob design allows you to easily switch between entertainment and office mode. And I really like these cool features niya. The gasket structure provide a quiet and satisfying typing experience dahil ito ay may 5 layers gasket structure. Plus, it's hot swappable, so you can easily swap out switches without any hassle. It supports RGB backlighting with 16 modes. At ang pinaka nagustuhan ko pa sa kanya ay compact keyboard to na meron 75% layout. Kaya naman portable itong gamitin kahit saan. At ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito ang kanyang responsive at sobrang creamy niyang sounds. And with a 3,750 mAh battery, it's delivered up to 41 hours of use. At meron din itong second stand level. So overall, the KZZI K75 Lite is an excellent choice for anyone looking for the feature-packed, customizable mechanical keyboard. Highly recommended this keyboard. Kaya naman mga keyboard wires, kung gusto mo rin ng KZZI K75 Lite creamy mechanical keyboard, ay ilalagay ko na lang ang link ito sa yellow basket. Ayun lang.